Every journey begins with care for the source. Nutrition is the foundation of perfection. Every piece is carefully selected for quality. Precision ensures consistency in every drumstick. From farm to facility, the journey begins in motion. Every mile is a step toward perfection. Consistency in transport preserves freshness and taste. The next phase begins where craft meets machinery. Every drumstick is treated with precision and care. Health inspection ensures quality starts at the source. Cleanliness is key before the magic begins. Prepared, pristine, and ready for transformation. Prepared, pristine, and ready for transformation. Prepared, pristine, and ready for transformation. Controlled movement preserves every ounce of freshness. Cold storage, flavor keeps flavor locked in. Precision at every stage guarantees quality. Every step is choreographed for efficiency. Every drumstick is tracked for traceable perfection. Human eyes complement the precision of machines. Every piece is carefully selected for quality. Vertical movement integrates every floor seamlessly. Synchronization ensures no drumstick is left behind. Attention to detail makes all the difference. The journey from cold storage to cleaning is seamless. Prepared, pristine, and ready for the first cleanse. The first cleanse removes dust and ensures hygiene. Every surface is attended to with care. Human oversight guarantees flawless preparation. Uniformity starts with careful sorting. Attention to detail keeps the line flawless. Every drumstick now moves in perfect harmony. Prepared, aligned, and ready for transformation. Ready, pristine, and perfectly aligned for the heart of flavor. The transformation begins where machinery meets craft. Checks ensure the flow never falters. Every drumstick is prepared for the signature crisp. Ready, pristine, and perfectly aligned for the heart of flavor. Immersed in heat, flavor is sealed. Precision and oversight create perfection. Clean, crisp, and ready for final enhancements. Human judgment ensures every drumstick is flawless. Final touches elevate flavor to its ultimate level. Prepared, golden, and moving toward perfection. Ready, pristine, and perfectly aligned for the heart of flavor. Every drumstick is coated with precision for the perfect crunch. Crispness forms with every second, every bubble counts. Excess oil is removed, leaving only golden perfection. Every flavor layer is applied with exacting care. Crispness is preserved as they cool to perfection. Every piece leaves the fryer stage ready for excellence. The secret layer that makes every bite unforgettable. Drying locks in crispness and taste. Human care complements automation perfectly. Every spray adds depth to the signature crunch. Cooling preserves crispness while flavor matures. Every imperfection corrected by careful hands. The final touch before presentation begins. Each drumstick is verified before the final stage. Consistency in size and weight matters as much as taste. Prepared, uniform, and ready for the final transformation. Technology ensures each piece is handled with perfection. Every detail is measured, every piece verified. Precision meets perfection in every coating. Automation adds the final layer of flavor finesse. Eyes of technology catch what humans might miss. Every drumstick aligned, every ounce accounted for. Crispness is preserved, ready for packaging precision. Automation and human standards merge seamlessly. Every drumstick is positioned with meticulous care. Uniformity is key before the final step begins. Technology ensures every tray is perfect. Every package locked with freshness and precision. Every tray marked, every drumstick ready for the world. Every tray is verified, every piece ready for presentation. And this is how modern factories produce the crispiest fried chicken drumsticks from start to start. Every batch meets rigorous quality standards. Crispness and taste are guaranteed in every bite. Certified for excellence. Ready for the world. Stored with care, ready to meet demand anywhere. Every drumstick moves safely from facility to customer. Safety and freshness preserved until delivery. From production to delivery, every step is controlled. Global reach ensures the crispiest drumsticks anywhere. Handled with care from factory to fork. And this is how modern factories produce the crispiest fried chicken drumsticks from start to finish.